Hey guys, what's up? I am just leaving for Bangalore where I'm doing my second Keto masterclass and I'm super excited. I'm going a day early because they told me that there's a lot of traffic in Bangalore and there's a good chance that I might get delayed because of that and miss the workshop if I flew in the morning. So they flew me a day before. I'm going to get a nice hotel to stay in. So anyway, I'm off to the airport now, and as you guys know, I hate carrying a camera around and filming stuff. But I'll try and do that. But for now, I'm signing out. Oh yeah, so I'm going to be taking an auto to the airport because I'm running a little bit late, I think, and also I don't have time to sit and wait around for an Uber to show up. So I'm just quickly going to take an auto rickshaw and head over to the airport. Airport. Auto. Khali. That's the problem with auto rickshaws. They reject you more times than women will do in your life. Anyway, hopefully I can get one soon because it looks like there's a lot of traffic. So I finally did get an auto and I'm on my way to the airport. Guys, I've just reached the airport and I'm not going to film myself checking in and all that jazz. It's just too chaotic and I'm not interested in doing that. But look, you can see. So I'll check in with you when I get to Bangalore. See ya. Alright guys, so I've landed in Bangalore airport and I'm going to go out now and get my car. Bombay, I realize India is very noisy, especially when I'm filming vlogs like this. I realize how much ambience there is and how much noise there is in general. So anyway, I've landed here and I'm going to get my car and I will see you guys at the hotel. I haven't charged my phone properly and I haven't charged my camera either. So yeah, novice mistake while traveling and filming, not charging things. But anyway, here I am at Bangalore airport and heading to the hotel now. They've sent a car to pick me up. Ooh, I feel like a real celebrity now. Starbucks, he said. Ah, Sahil. Yes. Yes. Foodhall, no? Found my driver. Time to head out now. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys straight at the hotel next. See ya. Yep, so I've made it to my hotel and it's a pretty swanky room, guys. Check it out. So a standard 4-star hotel, nice comfy room, a nice soft bed. I can see into the bathroom, interesting, and I can see myself. It's got a TV, not too fancy, but it's quite nice. I'm not complaining. The bathroom looks pretty cool, clean. Some stuff here. Anyway, I'm gonna head out now and go have some dinner. I'm planning to hit up this restaurant called Portland Steakhouse. So gonna get me some Bangalore beef. Anyway, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow straight away at the workshop. Cheers guys, good night. So guys, I got myself a steak, sirloin steak, and I'm not going to eat the mashed potatoes. I got some zucchini here and I got myself some spinach and some mushrooms. I may have bitten off more than I can chew, but I'm excited to dig in and I'll let you know how this was. Well, that looks nice and pink at least. I'm going to dig in now. I'll discuss this later with you. I'm hanging with my buddy Nick here. He's been a long time friend and a fan, so I'm going to enjoy his company and enjoy the steak, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, so what do I have to say about dinner tonight? I had the steak at Portland Steakhouse. It was not bad, but I think maybe people overhyped it a bit for me. Like it was like any Indian beef that I've eaten. I ordered a sirloin based on a friend's recommendation. It was definitely not a sirloin, but it was honestly like a generic piece of beef. The cream spinach was good. The sautéed mushrooms were good. The beef was cooked well, but the quality of the meat itself was, yeah. So yeah, a little bit let down. But anyway, tomorrow's a new day, and I'm going to be doing the masterclass at Foodhall. And I'm wasting precious blog time jibber jabbering about a steak I ate for dinner, not even related to the masterclass. Anyway, you know what I'm most proud of? That I stayed keto. Anyway, I will see you all tomorrow. Cheers. Which means like exactly one frame away from now, it will be cutting to tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's the day of the masterclass in Bangalore, and I have some bad news. I'm using my brother's camera to film this, and my brother very conveniently forgot to give me the charging cable, and there is only 27% battery left on this camera. So I don't know how much I'm actually going to be able to film. Either which way, I'm going to shut off now, and I will see you directly at Foodhall at the masterclass, so I don't waste any battery on stuff that we don't need to see. Anyway, see you guys then. I'm out. I don't know why I did that. That was so weird. I wanted to be like Goody Beats, like phew. What's up, guys? I'm here with Sahil Bawa in Bangalore, and he got me a charger for the camera, so we got footage once again, and we're going to go to the venue right now for the show. We just had a keto burger at Cafe Thal, which was quite good, guys. I'll show you a picture. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. I'll see you at the venue. Okay, so I'm here at Foodhall, and my man Shreyas is going to be assisting me. And this is where I'm cooking. Let me just show it to you. They're going to move some of this food stuff around, so I have place. But yeah, check it out. And it's a huge store. I mean, most food halls are huge. All sorts of stuff here. Ooh, I like me cakes. Yeah, it's a induction stove, cutting board, weighing scale. Perfect. I think we're good to go. Looking outside, and people have already showed up, I think, so I'm excited. Anyway, I'm going to go prep now and get everything ready, and we'll cut straight to some kind of highlights. So yeah, see you soon. Hi everyone, welcome to my Keto masterclass. If you don't have any idea who I am, my name is Sahil Bawa. But for the last 16 years of my life, I've been calling myself the Demon Stealer because I play in a heavy metal band. But you're probably wondering what I'm doing here today behind the counter cooking things up. But I put on a lot of weight, and then one day I woke up and looked at myself in the mirror and I said, oh no, I need to lose some weight. And since I had a cooking show already, I started making keto food. And here I am in Foodhall cooking up some keto food. So that, in a nutshell, is who I am. Why aren't you at your job working? But I'm glad you all could make it. And the second most important question I have to actually ask you is, how many of you are non-vegetarians? Okay, so the trip to Bangalore was worth it. Excellent. But don't worry, if you're vegetarian, I won't feed you chicken and say paneer samajh ke kha jao. But I will be making a selection of vegetarian and non-vegetarian items today. We've got one cutting board here specifically for vegetarians because we know how you all feel about meat eating things. But as you can see, when I'm nervous, I talk and make jokes. So keto should be looked at more like a lifestyle than a diet, because it is not a crash diet like many of the other diets that are there where you lose weight quickly and you start eating other food and stomach is back again. My stomach has not gone fully, but it will go. Because understand this, your body has used glucose for as long as you've been alive. Your body does not know what ketosis is and that you're planning to do keto diet. The body is not waiting, acha ye keto diet kabhi karega, I'll prepare them. Your body goes, what are you doing? Because the moment you do that, your body will store all the fat as fat. And that's how you will get fat. And none of us want to be fat.
So on that note, I think I will get to the first dish. So when I cook at home, obviously I don't use these sexy surgical gloves, as you can see. Who say no, I don't eat egg, I'm vegetarian. The details of why, because it's political and I've learned not to discuss politics in public spaces. So just information purposes only, no political motivation, not forcing you to eat eggs. I will still make pure veg food in this side, okay? Yeah, sure. Okay. Oliver, you want to take one? What's your name?
He doesn't have a name.
Bala. And your name? Shauri and Bala. What do you think? Oliver, you like it? Okay. Bala? Take some? And Shauri? There you go. Do you like it? You can look at the camera and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Good? What do you say? At the camera. Look at the camera and tell the camera. All three of you come to the camera. Hey, somebody take a picture of this here. Keto kids. Alright guys, so this is the final dish of the workshop, and please say hello to everybody who has come, and thank you all for showing up. Hello.
Give us a cheer, come on, come on.
This is the Bangalore.
Thank you.
And I just want to say there were actually more people than this. I made too many vegetarian jokes and many of them got offended as well. Or they had something better to do in life. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Cheers and see you guys soon.
And the workshop is very good and very informative, and I'm a fan of Sahil Bawa and Keto Kid Sahil. Yeah, it's very good and very informative.
Today's workshop was really cool. Sahil made a lot of good dishes. Not this side, the other side. and the one I liked the most was the pizza because it was in the right the ingredients used were the right amount, and yeah, Sahil Makija rock.
And I think this workshop was really, really enlightening. It's even better than following the YouTube channel ones. Yeah, I loved it.
The reason I've been keeping up with keto is also Headbanger's Kitchen, because I get to eat delicious food and I never know I'm on a diet. I guess I've lost a few pounds, hoping to lose more. All cheers to Headbangers.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and huge thanks to my man Sahil Bawa, the Keto Kid, who shot a lot of the footage for me. I wouldn't have been able to do this without him. Thanks man, and make sure you guys check out his channel. I'll leave the link in the video description box below. Cheers and keep ketoing. Man, that was great fun. Very tiring. My voice is almost gone, but now I have a flight to catch back to Bombay, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep ketoing.